The DOS keyboard MacTigr is a premium mechanical keyboard designed specifically for Mac users, blending functionality with an elegant design that fits seamlessly into the Apple ecosystem. With a price tag of $157, it's on the higher end, but it offers excellent value for anyone looking for a high-performance typing experience. Having thoroughly examined expert reviews and customer feedback, the MacTigr stands out not only for its Mac-specific layout, but also for its overall build quality and user-friendly features. One of the standout features of the MacTigr is its Cherry MX Red switches. These switches are known for their smooth and quiet keystroke, making them a great choice for users who need to type for long hours without disturbing others. The tactile feel is precise, and while they aren't as clicky as some other mechanical switches, they provide a satisfying feedback with each press. For users in shared workspaces or those who value a quieter typing experience, the Cherry MX Reds are a solid choice. The MacTigr also offers a high-quality, all-metal build. The solid construction is not only durable, but also adds a premium feel to the keyboard. The brushed aluminum surface is visually appealing, matching the sleek aesthetic of Apple's other products. The build quality is robust, and this keyboard can easily withstand daily use without showing signs of wear. Another feature worth highlighting is the 2-port USB-C hub integrated into the keyboard. This allows users to conveniently connect peripherals like a mouse or flash drive without needing to plug them directly into their Mac. For users who want to streamline their workspace and reduce cable clutter, this is a practical addition. However, the MacTigr isn't without its drawbacks. The keyboard is designed for Mac users, so the layout may not be ideal for those who need cross-platform compatibility. If you regularly switch between different devices or operating systems, this could be a deal breaker. Additionally, while the Cherry MX Reds are great for quiet typing, they might not be suitable for users who prefer a more tactile or clicky experience. In conclusion, the DOS keyboard MacTigr offers a premium typing experience with its quiet Cherry MX Red switches, durable all-metal construction, and convenient USB-C hub. It's a fantastic choice for Mac users who are willing to invest in a high-quality mechanical keyboard. While it may not be for everyone, particularly those who prefer a different switch type, it remains one of the best options available for Apple-centric users seeking performance and style.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.